Today I'm going to show you how you can record or stream your mobile gameplay to your PC in high quality. This is the fifine ampligame V3 capture card. And right on the box you can already see what makes it stand out. It records at 1080p 60 fps and also supports 4K 30 fps. Has a switchable RGB lighting and gives you instant replay with zero delay, which is perfect for mobile or console streaming. So right when you open the box, the first thing you'll see is the quick start guide, which gives you all the setup information you'll need, simple and easy to follow. Under that, you get the capture card itself, and honestly it's really lightweight and small. Has a nice matte black finish. You can easily throw it on your setup bag or anywhere without taking up space. On the side you have got your HDMI in port, a line in port, and a headset jack port. That's great if you want to plug in your mic or monitor audio directly. On the other side, you will have the RGB switch, the HDMI out, and the USB-C port that connects straight to your PC or laptop. And finally, in the box, you'll get the USB-C to USB-A 3.0 cable, which you will use to connect to your PC or laptop. All you need is this adapter that you can connect to your device. And also you will need a HDMI cable and use the USB-C cable to connect to your PC through the USB 3.0 port. Using the button, you can also switch the RGB lighting. Has so different modes that you can choose. Then one of the end of the HDMI cable, plug it into your capture card in port. Then the other one, plug it into your adapter that connects to your device. And if you guys have any problems, the screen doesn't show, simply just get a toothpick and go to the headset jack and just tap in, there's a button inside. Then you should be good. Then go to OBS, press plus, and add a new video capture card device. Then you will see here the fifine option that you need to choose so you get the gameplay. And as you guys can see, there's literally zero delay between my iPad and the screen on my PC. Here with the capture card, I'm using the fifine ampligame H9 gaming headset. Right when you open the box, we're gonna see the user guide, which goes over how to use all the buttons and cables. Right on the box, we have the detachable mic. Then we have the line control cable. This is actually really nice because it has full control built in it. You get the buttons for mic up, volume, and down. And even a 7.1 surrounded sound button right in the middle. Also a headphone volume and a mic mute switch. And finally we have the headset. And honestly, they look really good. The build quality feels solid, and for the price they actually feel premium. The headset uses a 3.5mm jack, which means you can plug them straight into your mobile device or console. The earpads are super soft and comfortable, so even if you play for hours, your ears won't hurt or feel sore. I really like the little smile logo on the side. It gives them a clean gaming look. You can also adjust the height on the both sides to make them fit perfectly. And they are really flexible, so you don't have to worry about breaking them if you stretch them out a bit. Now let's connect the detachable mic. After attaching it, you can plug the headset directly into the capture card to get real-time audio with zero delay while recording or streaming. Alright, now let's test the mic quality and see how it sounds.
Test. I'm speaking at a normal voice. Now I'll try to talk a bit louder so you can hear how it handles different voice levels. Background noise is minimal, so it focuses really well on your voice, which is perfect for streaming or recording gameplay. Honestly, for the headset at the price, the mic sounds really clear and professional. And if you guys want to check them out, I'll leave the links for both in the description.